Crude oil and net gas both traded with moderate bullishness. Specifically, net gas has shown a little recovery here towards 3.38, though yet to break beyond the critical number at 3.34 levels, while it is crude oil which is struggling between the 71.4, 71.6 zone and 70.8 levels, the no trade zone which we discussed in our Asia and Europe session update. So, what to expect now from oil and gas with the US session? Can we expect a further dip, and can we expect more bearishness, or it is going to reverse and rise? Specifically, we have the net gas storage data today, which can definitely add on to the volatility. Which direction it's going to be, what is going to be our strategy, way to enter, way to exit, how to profit, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical level. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Watch. See, oil on the hourly charts. If you look at this candle, what did we discuss yesterday's update? That see, it is going to erase the gains. What it did, it has come towards the initiation point of the candle, and it has taken the support here. Now, what has happened since then? It is now trying to retrace. Very important for it to break past two couple of key resistances. First at 71.6, second 72, and then third 72.5, 2.6. If these three levels are taken, you can consider that as a reversal. Notice, divide this into two, you can find out a double bottoming is done, and what we are looking forward to something like this, where the prices can aim towards 74 here. Stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with little divergence, little bullishness, looking upwards. RSI is comfortable. Coming to two, look at the 2 hour charts. What has happened? It has consolidated. See, higher lows, higher highs. But this also you should note that it is only right now the divergence of the price from the moving average which calls for it to converge, and that is why it is retraced, and definitely it is finding it difficult to stay beyond the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands. Thus 71.6 has become a very critical zone, and this complete zone between 71.4, 71.6 is something you should watch out for. Beyond that, you can expect bullishness to prevail towards 72, and in fact we can see a move towards 72.67, and then we can aim for 74. Stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD, after forming double bottom, has just crossed over. A good sign for the bulls. See, whenever you can see it has bottomed here for a while now, and it is looking forward to a breakout move. Let's wait for this. If not this week, then possibly next week we can expect this breakout. RSI rising. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, interestingly, what we had seen so far, you can notice it is just, look at the channel it has created. Beautiful channel. And can you see a bit of a cusp formation here? And this curve certainly indicates that there could be a vertical breakout, but right now it is holding on, it is waiting for a direction here. But once you look at the 3 hour charts, what is happening here? See, a reversal sign. What did we see earlier in the day? Just refer my video a few hours back. I have mentioned this could become the reversal sign here. Once it breaks out here, this will become the reversal sign, and prices will tend to rise from here. Now see, increasing body size, and thus this increases the possibility of a move towards 71.8, 72, and in fact 72.4, 72.6 zone, which is going to be the next milestone. Beyond this, 73 should be seen, and in fact beyond 73 we can expect a greater rise here. Stochastic rising. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is rising here. Coming to 4. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. See, a reversal sign, and now it is trying to deliver higher highs. It is still shying away from hitting the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands. Thus I expect at least 71.8, 72 has to be there very soon, even if it has to trade bearishly. If you look at the history here, it is just every time it diverges from the 20 period, it moves towards 20 period, which is right now sitting at around 72, and thus it is very important for it to break beyond 72, beyond which you can expect more bullishness. Stochastic rising. MACD at bottom, trying to bounce back. RSI trying to recover. Coming to daily. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a self-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, look at the movement here in oil. Yes, straight bearishness here. Yes, it is trading in this channel. For the near term, it is very important for oil to break out beyond 75, and then it will deliver a nice breakout. Look at the flag formation here, and this is ready for another round of another leg of rise here. If not today, tomorrow, possibly next week, this might try to bounce back and recover, and I will wait for it to break out specifically beyond 75, which will confirm the further reversal. Today, first of all, yesterday's candle was of consolidation. Today again it is trying to bounce back, delivering higher lows, and now it has potential tilt towards lower highs, which means 72, 72.4, 72.5. It might try to achieve if it stays bullish from the current levels. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is bearish still, and RSI is bottom as well. So I'll recommend you to buy at 71.6. Expect 72 levels here. 72, 72.4, 72.5 should be the next. And if these two are taken, stay bullish for 73. Any move beyond 73 is a clear sign of reversal. And then sooner or later it has to break beyond 74, the next milestone, and 75, the third. If these levels are taken, it is a reversal here. On the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is only and only if you see it is staying below 70.8. That is the only level below which I will recommend a sell, and below which you can expect 70.4 the first, 69.8 the second, and 69.3, 69.4 the third. If these three levels are taken, stay bearish for a greater price correction, which can take the prices towards 68 as well. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Now let's move to natural gas. See, it has formed a double bottom. This is what we had discussed. It is now moving towards the top of the channel. It is very, very important for it to stay above 3.4, and once it stays above 3.4, this is a clear sign of more bullishness prevailing here, taking it till towards 3.45, 3.5 levels, the next target zone. Remember, after the rise, look at the bullish candles were bigger in size. The retracement candles were with very small body. That is what we had discussed. I mentioned it is taking the support, and now see, beautifully it has taken the support and bounced back. Now it is looking forward to a breakout move, and possibly once it stays beyond 3.4, we can look forward to a greater up move here. Moving average is trading with divergence, is staying bullish, looking upwards. Very good sign for the bulls here. Stochastic has dropped a bit, while the MACD is trading with little bullishness here, and the RSI is rising as well. Good signs here for the bull here. Coming to the observation on the 2 hour charts is more or less same. Look at the formation here after this gap of retracement, and now it is ready to deliver another leg of rise here. If you connect the dots, you will find that higher lows and higher highs means now net gas is aiming towards 3.6 levels. Possibly with the next week beginning, it may try to achieve the zone, and at that point we will see how it behaves, because beyond 3.6 this time, the direct lending is towards 3 or $4. So 3.6 is become a crucial resistance, which it would like to break very, very soon. Moving averages are now looking upwards, trading with divergence and bullishness. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising signs are supportive for further bullishness. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation, increasing. See, first of all, the rise here, the retracement reversal sign, and now it is delivering consistent bullish candles. Let it stay beyond 3.4, and then you can expect 3.4445 and 3.5 at the next targets. Moving averages crossing over here, again very good sign for the bulls. And yes, the support levels on the downside tilt towards 3.3. Now see, this has become very critical for gas to break below 3.3 to 3.3 zone, and then 3.26. If these three levels are taken, then only you can confirm that the prices are about to crash. As long as 3.26 zone is not taken, we should not be treating natural gas as bearish here. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising after the crossover, it is looking upwards. The RSI rising as well. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation, nothing different. See, after this strong bearish move here for a couple of weeks, it is now crossing over here on the upside, and now 3.6 has become a hurdle for it to break past by. First, it would like to achieve 3.6, and at that point, we will see how it behaves, because beyond this, we are looking forward to a greater rise here. Right now, it is shying away from showing such a strong bullish move. Let's wait for today's move, where it takes, where it closes. 3.45, 3.5 should be achievable, and these are going to remain greater resistance. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking upwards, looking bullish. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, notice what it has done so far. After this greater dip, it is now in the retracement channel. It is willing forward to move towards 3.5 level soon, and in fact can reach past 3.6 with the next forthcoming candles. Today it is already breached the median of the Bollinger Bands. It has already breached the lower highs, lower lows, and it is looking upwards. Just let it stay above 3.4 levels. 3.4 is crucial here. Once it stays above 3.40 levels, you can just stay bullish from here. Expect 3.5, 3.6 levels to be there very, very soon. Now see, if you look at the long-term trend here for net gas, you can find out largely this was the channel in which it was trading. It has come out of this channel, and it is again trying to fall back within the zone. Let's wait for it to get back beyond the critical resistance at 3.6, and then you can stay bullish for the long term. MACD has hit a bottom here and it is now trying to cross over, which can lead to further rise. RSI rising. So looking at this, what I will recommend is a buy at 3.4 and expect you to wait or expect it to achieve 3.4 for 3.45 the first target zone and 3.5 the next. Once it stays beyond 3.5, next week we can see a gap up. And tomorrow, in fact, also it can keep on rising towards 3.35, 3.6 zone. And yes, if you see it finding difficult to break beyond 3.5, then obviously that's an indication that bulls are not willing to take the prices higher. So let's wait for it to deliver a breakout. You can buy here at 3.4, but then it is going to be with a strict stop loss. On the downside, 3.32 is the only level below which I will recommend a sell. And then also with the rider that 3 to 3.28, 3.26, these are the three levels. Till 3.26, you have to be very, very careful with the sells. And once it trades below 3.26, that is the point of time you can say now the bears are back, and you can look forward to a price correction which can take it towards 3.2 levels, and below that you can expect a greater drop towards 3.11, 3.0 levels here. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch every day the first update with the Asian Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.